Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ICI. I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process. And of course, any information about the insertions on the Batman Road. That is the basis of my invitation. I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in this investigation. We want to support the investigation, the fact-finding, to resolve the issues surrounding the concerns of the ICI. So, papasalamat ako talaga sa member ng ICI that I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me any questions and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy and I welcome the opportunity to share all of my.
So yung representative, ano pong tingin niyo dapat yung
Well, the ICI will have resource persons invited here and we shall wait for the same.
Sir, but
Do you think he should come back to the camp?
Well, any and all resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission?
I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
So
Sir,
yung
meron
comment
po
lang
ba ng question na natin?
Huh?
Sir, meron po release sa atin?
I will do at the instance of the commission. So,
Sir, yung
Speaker,
Sir,
meron po ba ng question na natin?
I'm not invited to.
Sir, yun pong sinabi ng witness ni Senator Mark Tuleta, and would you like to comment yung kay Ori?
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in the form of testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the.
But do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security. Thank you very much. Thank you.